Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set Google Messages as default. If you have multiple messaging apps installed on your Android phone, such as Samsung Messages, messages by your phone manufacturer, or another SMS app, you need to make Google Messages your default messaging app to send and receive SMS, MMS, and RCS chats through it. The good news is that the process only takes a minute, and here's exactly how you can get that done. Now, I'm going to walk you through the easiest method and recommended, which is to set Google Messages as the default from the app. Now, unlock your Android phone and find and open Google Messages. Turn it on as I've done right here. If you haven't installed it, just download it from Google Play Store and open it. Now, when you open Google Messages for the first time, or if it isn't already your default messaging app, you usually see a prompt asking whether you would like to make it your default. So just tap Set Default SMS or Set as Default. Now, if prompted by Android, tap Messages and tap Set as Default Change or OK, depending on your device. Once confirmed, Google Messages becomes your primary app for sending and receiving messages. All right. So let's say you didn't receive the prompt inside the app when you first launched it and you want to do it manually. Here is how you go. Unlock your Android phone, and then what you're going to have to do, your Android phone, go ahead and click on settings in your Android phone. Then go ahead and look for apps. Now, once you tap on apps, go ahead and tap on default apps or choose default apps, that's depending on your Android phone. The exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your phone manufacturer and Android version. Now go ahead and tap SMS app or messaging app. Then you see a list of installed messaging apps. Now tap Messages, which we have Google Messages here. So ensure that it's actually the only messaging app that I have. But if you have others, just tap Messages. And once you tap Messages, if prompted, just go ahead and confirm your choice. And Android will immediately make Google Messages your default SMS application. Now, return to your home screen, and from your home screen, just go ahead and open Google Messages. Wait a few moments while the app finishes preparing your message database if necessary, and your conversation should now be available in Google Messages. All right, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.